यस प्रदीप शुरू करो। प्रदीप।
हेलो सर, हाँ आगे आगे सर बोलते। Hello friends, my name is Pradeep. Today is our topic is pollution. Pollution is a very harmful thing, very harmful for all human beings. There are many types of pollution. Mostly there are four types of pollution. First is water pollution, air pollution, sand pollution, and water and air pollution. Okay. Air pollution. There are many causes of air pollution. First and important is the factory, factories and motor vehicles. They they released they released very
रिलीज क्यों?
harmful.
टेंस का ध्यान रखो, रिलीज आएगा।
They release very harmful gases, which is which is very harmful for our environment.
विच आर
Like
गैसेस बोला है उधर,
which
आपने
are
विच आर आना चाहिए।
yes, sir, which are very harmful for our environment. And there are many there are many see, many सब बीमारियों क्या बोलते हैं अपन?
डिजीजेस।
There are many diseases by the air pollution like asthma, swine flu, cancer. Sir, the most dangerous gas is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is increasing day by day because many people cut down the trees, and trees also trees also take carbon dioxide and release oxygen oxygen. That's that's the reason trees help us for clean our environment And second is
ट्रीज
soil
हेल्प
pollution
अस इन क्लीनिंग।
in cleaning our environment. And
हाँ।
second is sand pollution. Sand pollution. There are many reasons, and there are many reasons of sand pollution. Most of people, they are farmers. They spray कीटनाशक and रासायनिक sorry and chemical spray on their crops to save by to save by सर कीट को क्या बोलते हैं? कीट
टू सेव फ्रॉम हार्मफुल क्रिएचर्स। हाँ
from harmful creatures.
हाँ
That the reason why the sand is polluted, and most of people throw their garbage on freely and anywhere. That's way the sand is polluted.
why that's why
That's why the sand is polluted. And the third reason of water pollution, the chemical the chemical that people spray on their crops is flowed by rainwater on in rivers. So chemical the chemical polluted the polluted water and
Polluted नहीं, pollute. Tense का ध्यान रखना
pollute
करो.
what pollute water, and most of people throw their garbage in rivers, ponds, and seas. There are many factories. Garbage is freely thrown in seas. That's why the creature of seas is dead
तार.
and are dead, and the water was polluted.
पास
Pollute
क्यों लगाते हो? इज लगाओ ना.
and
प्रेजेंट
the
में तो
water
चलेगा
is
सारा, पास में
polluted,
थोड़ी जाएगा. हाँ.
and the and most of people cleaning their animals and vehicles in nearby ponds and rivers. That way, the ponds and rivers are polluted, and and most of creatures died in water. It is also pollute the water, and fourth is air, sand, water, and the main reason of the pollution is that there are many people who are are not responsible on their their responsibility. They not cleaning their areas nearby, and they not cleaning their environment.
क्लीनिंग नहीं, दे डू नॉट क्लीन.
They do not clean their environment. That's way. That's
बेटे
why
वाई.
many. Why? That's why many diseases are born. That is sir.
वेरी गुड. अच्छा है. अच्छी प्रैक्टिस में आ गए हो तुम अब. मेरा सजेशन है तुम्हारे लिए, अभी छोड़ो मत आप इसको. बाकी तो आपकी मर्जी है. सारा फ्लो खत्म हो जाएगा, ये सारी चीजें खत्म हो जाएंगी, बाकी तो आपकी मर्जी है ना. जो फ्लो आया है ना तुम्हारे अंदर, जो जिस तरीके से तुम अभी बोलने लगे हो ना, ये फरवरी तक तो सब साफ हो जाएगा. ये रहेगा तुम्हारे पास में, फिर से उतना ही जोर लगाना पड़ेगा आपको. बाकी आपकी मर्जी है. देखो, आप जैसे भी आप करना चाहो वैसे कर सकते हो. यस अरायना.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. My name is Arena. I am a student of Ramban English Live Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is pollution. Pollution is a major problem of all the world. Pollution has to be reduced because it can take our lives too. Uh, there are three type of pollution, and uh, land pollution, air pollution, and water pollution. Land pollution is caused by the waste of our our all people all people. Air pollution is caused by vehicles and factories and crackers, and water pollution are caused by
आर क्यों
factories.
इजी तो आएगा.
नहीं,
is caused by.
is caused by the wastage of factory and are some people uh, throw their garbage in water.
Hmm.
And that's why the organism in water are dying, and
Hmm.
they're dying, and the major problem is that the
क्या हुआ रैना? रैना का भी शायद नेट इशू हो गया कुछ। चलो कोई बात नहीं, भावेश तुम आ जाओ। हेलो, मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही क्या?
आ रही
मेरी
है
आवाज
सर।
आ रही है?
यस सर, आ रही है।
तो फिर
सर
क्या, भावेश भी नहीं है, रैना
यस
भी।
सर, हूँ मैं सर।
कहाँ है मैं? बोलो, तुम बोलो भावेश।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Bhavesh Sharma. I am the student of Ramban English Interactive Class. Today's our topic is important. Today's our topic is pollution. Types of pollution. First is air pollution. Air pollution is caused by air pollution is caused by air pollution is caused by smoke of vehicles, waste, garbage, etc. Second is Second is river water pollution. Caused by water pollution is caused by waste, garbage in ponds and rivers.
हम्म।
And third is land pollution. Land pollution is caused by dung cakes, waste, garbage, etc.
हम्म।
And fourth is sound pollution. Sound pollution is caused by
वेरी गुड।
sound of vehicles. Thank you, sir. Sound of vehicles. We do not know. Many movies give moral to we should we should not spread the pollution like 2.0 etc.
हम्म।
We grow trees to decrease the pollution.
हम्म।
We should not cut the trees because we
वेरी गुड,
should
बहुत अच्छा बोला।
cut the because thank you, sir. We should cut the trees because we should cut the trees. तो and after pollution सर बढ़ने को क्या कहते हैं?
बढ़ना,
हाँ,
इंक्रीज।
we should not cut the trees because we should cut the trees and after pollution is very increased.
ये फिर वी शुड कट द
Pollution.
ट्रीज क्यों लगा है? आप ऐसे सुनो, इफ वी कट द ट्रीज द पॉल्यूशन विल इंक्रीज।
Okay, sir. We should cut the trees so pollution is not increased. Pollution is we we call pollution is caused by waste materials and waste materials. Thank you, sir.
ओके बेटा, बहुत अच्छा करने लगे हो, है ना? कोशिश करो कि प्रैक्टिस करते रहो आप।
Okay, sir. Thank you.
हाँ, ओके। यस, कम ऑन यामिनी।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Ashishika. I am the student of Ramban English Interactive Classes. Today, my topic is pollution. Pollution is very dangerous gas because so many medical problems are sorry, medical problems for this gas. Um, so many use robots and robots provide smoke. It smokes limit pollution. Pollution go to sky and mix our nature and 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 this and to सर वो दूषित को क्या बोलते हैं
Polluted.
and polluted our nature. Three types of pollution. First, the air pollution. So many companies, so many companies provide smoke. Smoke go to sky and mix our nature. So
With our nature.
yes, sir. So many vehicles provide
Provide
smoke.
नहीं, throw.
So many vehicles through pollution. Oh, sorry, smoke. Second is water pollution. Water pollution. Um, um, man man throw plastic and garbage in
Hmm.
the sea. In the sea.
Hmm.
Uh, in the sea. So many. So sorry. Sorry, sir. Uh, uh, all the unusable water thrown in the sea because unusable water do not help in our life uh, our life and throw in and we throw in the sea. Third is lead pollution. Lead pollution. So many people throw plastic in roads
On roads.
on roads. So many people throw garbage on roads and polluted our nature. Uh,
Pollute our nature.
pollute our nature. Pollute our nature. Um, only for trees. Only for trees save to us. So we don't cut trees and grow trees.
We
Only
should not cut trees.
okay, sir. We should not cut trees
And we
and
should grow more trees.
we should grow
Hmm.
trees, many trees, because only for
Only
trees,
for नहीं, only trees.
only trees, only trees, only trees, for, only for,
Can check
can check
the
pollution.
pollution. हाँ.
Thank you, sir. That's it.
Very good. बहुत अच्छी कोशिश करते हो. करते रहो अभी आप. है ना?
Sir.
करते रहो तुम कोशिश. Okay. हर्षित.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit Moria. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from batch B9. Today's my topic is pollution. There are, sir, there are four types pollution
Hmm.
like water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, air pollution.
Hmm.
First is air pollution. Air pollution spread because people use vehicles, factories. So 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 air pollution is spread. Second is water pollution.
Hmm.
In cities, many factories, इसको क्या कहेंगे, फैक्ट्रीज में से फैक्ट्रीज में से गंदा पानी आता है जिससे वाटर पोल्यूशन होता है.
फैक्ट्रीज स्प्यू dirty water.
Factories is because the factories spew dirty water,
Hmm.
so water pollution has spread.
Hmm.
Third is
So
noise pollution.
water gets polluted.
Yes, sir. क्या?
Water gets polluted. चलो
Water
आगे
gets polluted.
आगे बोलो.
Third is noise pollution. Noise pollution spread because people use DJ. So police ban DJ 10 o'clock at night.
Hmm.
Fourth is soil pollution. Soil pollution is spread because the soil has fly in air, so soil pollution is spread. We do not cut trees, we grow many trees.
Do
That's
not
it.
mean should not.
We should not cut trees. We grow many trees. That's it, sir.
We should grow many trees.
Yes, sir. We should grow
Okay,
many
कोशिश
trees.
करो अभी और कोशिश करो आप. Yes, come on, Tanesh.
Good evening, sir. I am and the student of Raban Interactive Class B9. Today our topic is pollution. Pollution is the introduction and containment into the natural environment that causes adverse change. Pollution take chemical change and energy such as noise, heat, or light pollutant. Air pollution is caused by solid, by liquid particles and certain gases, and there are three types of air pollution and water pollution and land pollution. Air pollution, these particles and gases come from car and truck. Water pollution occurs due to factory. Land pollution occurs to the garbage. Uh, that's it. Thank you, sir.
थोड़ा लेंथ बढ़ाओ थोड़ी अपनी. बहुत छोटा बोलते हो आप, थोड़ा सा बढ़ाने की कोशिश करो इसको, है ना?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
ओके, कोशिश करो. मनीषा.
Yes,
मनीषा.
sir. Good evening. Yes, sir. Good evening, all of you. I am Manisa, a student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from Batch B9. I am telling about pollution. Pollution is a pollution is a very big problem for our country. For the world, pollution 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 is a very biggest problem of the world. We should try to stop them stop it stop them. Mm, pollution 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 it has there are three types of pollution.
There are.
Four types of there are four types of pollution. First, air pollution. Air pollution is the biggest problem. It is increased. It is increased by
हाँ
it
बोलो.
increase.
हम्म.
It increase by
Increases.
it is increased by the increases by the vehicles and factories smoke. Vehicles and factories smoke and cut the trees.
Cutting of trees.
Cutting of trees. we should try to we should try to that we do not cut tree.
We should try not to cut trees.
We should try to not cut trees.
Not to cut trees. We should try
Not
not to cut trees.
we
हाँ.
should try not to cut trees. The government should do something for it, like when we cut a tree. When I cut a tree, it reference सर बदले में क्या बोलेंगे इसके बदले में?
It must be replaced
It must be replaced that we grow a tree.
by growing a tree.
We grow a tree
Uh,
by
it must
growing
be
a tree.
replaced by growing a new tree.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Air pollution is the biggest problem in this world. Air, air many many सर बीमारियों को क्या बोलते हैं?
Diseases.
Many diseases of air pollution like
हाँ,
we like
ऐसे नहीं.
क्या सर?
Many diseases are caused.
Many caused by air
हाँ,
pollution like
हाँ.
like breathing
हम्म.
and सर दमा की प्रॉब्लम को क्या बोलते हैं?
अस्थमा.
अस्थमा etc. And the second is water pollution. Water pollution is increasing. Sorry,
Increases.
water pollution is increases by the waste garbage and oil etc. We throw the waste garbage in rivers and what and many water places, and the factories waste garbage and oil through the rivers.
Are
So
thrown.
the government should thrown by the factories. So the government should do something that, like they try to do that सचेत करना क्या बोलते हैं?
Government should try to make the people aware.
Make the people aware, like they do not throw the waste garbage in rivers.
Hmm.
In rivers they threw it in dustbins and and other places.
Hmm.
And third is soil pollution. Soil pollution is the biggest problem in this world. Mm, the farmers are fa- are farming in the fields, but in the present time they they could not achieve many
Cannot.
profit. They cannot achieve much profit because the soil is
Uh,
much polluted because of the waste garbage through in the fields, and they are polluted. Polythene is the most biggest reason of the soil pollution. Soil pollution. So and प्लास्टिक को प्लास्टिक ही बोलते हैं ना.
uh.
And the plastic is the most biggest problem of soil pollution. we should try to use, सर दोबारा यूज लेना को क्या बोलते हैं?
Reuse.
We should try to reuse the plastic and polythenes.
Hmm.
We should not throw it in the
Hmm.
fields in the soil. The so in the नहीं सर, खाने की कमी आ जाएगी इससे, मतलब कि इसको क्या बोलेंगे?
There would be lacking of food.
हाँ, there would be lacking of food by the soil pollution. We should try to stop it. And the fourth is noise pollution. Noise pollution is the biggest pollution of in this world,
हम्म,
in this world, the noise pollution is increases by the vehicle sound and DJs sound, etc.
हम्म,
We should try to to do something for it,
हम्म,
like like mm, like we should not not sound in we should not, सर बहुत तेज आवाज में को क्या बोलते हैं?
वेरी बिग साउंड, पूरा सेंटेंस बोला करो.
we should we should not we should not the DJ in big sound
We should not
we should not play the DJ in big sound, and the traffic sound and the vehicle sound is slow, and
flow.
we should try to
हाँ बोल.
थोड़ा कम बजाए. We should try to it that we सर मतलब जहाँ पे इसकी जरूरत नहीं हो वहां नहीं बजाना चाहिए.
We should
क्या
not
बोलूं मैं?
blow horn where there
we
is no
should
need.
not
We
we
should
should
not blow
not
horn
we should
without
not
need.
blow horn
Horn without
without
need.
need without need.
Hmm.
So I when the pollution is increased by the increases by the cutting the tree and factories
Hmm.
smoke. So I suggest you that you should try to that when you cut a tree then you grow a tree. That's it. Thank you.
Very good. ठीक है, फ्लो तो ठीक आने लग गया तुम्हारा, पर अभी ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक से अभी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी अपने को, है ना?
Okay sir.
कोई
Thank
बात
you sir.
नहीं, हो जाएगा. यस श्याम, राणा, इसके बाद तुमसे बुलवाऊंगा मैं, बीच में रह गया था तुम्हारा. श्याम, श्याम, श्याम नहीं है. नारायणा तुम आ जाओ. नारायणा,
Yes, sir.
हाँ दोबारा बोलो बेटा, आपका बीच में रह गया था. बोलो बेटा. हाँ रायणा बोलो बेटा. रायणा, चलो श्याम,
हाँ सर.
तुम बोलो.
Hello everyone, my name is Shamina. I am a student of Brahman Interactive class batch B9. Today our topic is pollution. है गेट लगा दे. Pollution is very harmful for us. There are four main types of pollution: water pollution, air pollution, soil pollution, and noise pollution.
हम्म.
All kinds of pollution are a result of careless activities by man.
हम्म.
We dump waste directly into water bodies.
कैमरा चालू करो अपना. हम्म.
We dump waste directly into water bodies.
डंप मतलब?
Sir,
डंप का मतलब?
तो मतलब जो वेस्ट करते हैं पानी।
ये डंप का मतलब क्या है? डंप आपने यूज किया है ना?
सर वो दीदी ने बोला था वो।
नहीं, आप कहाँ देख के बोल रहे हो क्या?
नहीं सर, वो दीदी ने बोला था वो डंप मतलब पता नहीं था।
तो पता ही नहीं है फिर भी बोल रहे हो आप, या तो याद करके बोल रहे हो या देख के बोल रहे हो। और वाटर बॉडीज का मतलब क्या है? आपको पता ही नहीं है, आप शब्द यूज कर रहे हो। कहाँ से आप बोल रहे हो? या तो आप याद किया हुआ बोल रहे हो या देख के बोल रहे हो आप। कहाँ से बोल रहे हो आप? है भैया? राम,
हाँ सर।
कैसे बोल रहे हो? देख के बोल रहे हो या कोई याद है वो बोल रहे हो आप?
नहीं सर, सर मतलब जो हम वो एज पर सीधे जल निकाय उसे डंप करते हैं ना।
नहीं तो डंप का मतलब, आप जब डंप को यूज कर रहे हो तो और वाटर बॉडीज का मतलब?
तो बट वो मतलब सीधे जल निकाय
चलो बोलो, आगे बोलो।
which 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 results in water pollution,
हम्म,
air pollution is क्यों सर वो तब होता है उसको क्या बोलेंगे
कॉज्ड बाई, आगे बोलो।
caused caused when vehicles release smoke into the atmosphere
हाँ।
and make it difficult
हम्म।
to breathe for all
हम्म।
organisms.
हम्म।
Soil pollution is caused by directly dumping or waste into landfill.
हम्म।
Noise pollution is not visible,
हम्म।
but it is dangerous.
हाँ।
From for pollution that can damage our ears.
हम्म।
Due to this, the person becomes ill.
हाँ हाँ, ठीक है, बोलो।
There are reasons for water pollution.
हम्म।
Some of the reasons directly affect
हम्म।
on water pollution and and some many direct and some directly many factories, industry,
हम्म।
contaminated water, chemical.
हम्म।
That's it.
ओके। कोशिश क्या करो, बीच बीच में चले जाते हो क्या आप क्लास छोड़ के? या नेट इश्यू हो जाता है? मंडे से रीडिंग चालू करूंगा मैं, थोड़ा सा रेगुलर रहो। अरायणा, अरायणा, अरायणा,
सर शायद उसके पास वॉइस नहीं जा रही।
वॉइस नहीं जा रही है, उसका सिस्टम कुछ गड़बड़ है। चलो मैं अब वो, अरायणा आ रहे हो? मैं रिकॉर्डिंग बंद कर रहा हूँ। और ये चेतना, तुमने भी नहीं बोला आज?
जी सर।
तुमने भी नहीं बोला आज?
हाँ सर।
क्या बात है?
सर आज थोड़ा गले में ना प्रॉब्लम सी हो रही है, खिचखिच सी हो रही है।
खिचखिच सी हो रही है, ओके। अरायणा आ रहे हो या मैं बंद कर दूं? नहीं, अरायणा,
मैं बोलूँ सर एक बार?
क्या बोल?
नहीं, अराइना नाम मैं बोलूँ, शायद उसके
हाँ
पास
हाँ,
वॉइस मेरी
बोल
चली
बोल
जाए।
बोल बोल।
अराइना।
अरायणा बोलो, स्पीक करो, बोलो कि अपना टॉपिक पे बोलो, नंबर है तुम्हारा।
सर या तो उसके पास वॉइस नहीं जा रही या फिर वो है नहीं यहाँ पे, ऑन करके चली गई हूँ।
हाँ बिल्कुल यही लग रहा है। चलो मैं क्लोज कर रहा हूँ ना रिकॉर्डिंग को।
यस सर।
सर